Joe Hart. Number 4, Vincent Kompany. Number 7, James Milner. Number 17, Jerome Boite. Number 18, Gareth Barry. Number 19, Jolyon Lescott. Number 21, David Silva. Number 28, Kolo Touré. Number 32 and captain, Carlos Tevez. Number 34, Nigel de Jong. And finally, number 42, Yaya Touré. And the City substitutes, number 1, Shay Given. Number 9, Emmanuel Adebayor. Number 11, Adam Johnson. Number 14, Roque Santa Cruz. Number 24, Patrick Vieira. Number 27, Joe. Number 38, Dedrick Boyata.